Hey you guys, so this is a small quick video on how I do my fill-in process, rebalancing process like others call it, step by step. So right now I am removing the previous design that my client has. Keep in mind I do start off all my sets with a clear base set. That way my clients can reuse their set as many times as they can or as many times as the set will allow. You know, keep in mind some people do smoke and do other stuff, hardcore stuff with their nails. So unfortunately those clients can't keep up one set for so long. But if you don't do a lot with your nails, honestly I guarantee up to 3 months with the same set. As long as the acrylic looks clear, there's no reason why you need a new set. I also recommend my clients to always have a fill-in or a schedule fill-in every 2 to 3 weeks. That way we have proper maintenance of not only our acrylic nails, but also our natural nails. So right now I am removing it with my favorite carbide bit. It is my tornado bit. I actually got it here near the closest nail shop in Greensboro, but I know for a fact it's extra coarse, so it's a killer, you guys. It will destroy the nails in a heartbeat. So it's very important to make sure it does not touch that actual client's natural nail. This is only for acrylic, so I love using it because it's easy to do my fill-in process and by removing the previous design without it having to be left underneath the new design. All right, you guys, and now I did switch my tornado drill to an extra fine coarse drill. This drill is, again, only used for acrylics. I use this to balance off the acrylic again, since I just threw in the tornado drill bit on it. So right now I'm just removing anything that looks lifted, anything. I'm trying to seal completely the acrylic. That way once I do my fill-in acrylic, you won't see the difference. You know, I hate when you can actually see the difference of every fill-in that you get. So I take my time to properly remove anything that looks lifted. Again, my client did warn me that she was mighty rough these past 2-3 weeks with her nails. She was a little bit sick. Thank God she's feeling much better now, but she was a little bit sick, and she told me she was just doing whatever she had to do, no care in the world with her nails. So that finger in particular has the most lifting, as you can see. If your clients do have lifting, you have to make sure, you guys, to remove anything and everything that looks lifted. That way it doesn't ruin the new fill-in, the new acrylic that will be laid on top. So I do take my time to remove anything that has been lifted, you guys. All right, you guys, so now I am rebalancing the acrylic. You know, after 2-3 weeks, your acrylic becomes round and it loses a little bit of its shape. So I'm just giving it its shape back. So my favorite file is the 8080. That is my absolute favorite. Again, this file, I do not recommend it on natural nails, only on acrylics. It will damage the natural nail. Okay guys, so now I am pushing back the cuticles. This is the last step towards the filling process. I did switch my carbide drill to my sanding drill. This is the extra fine sanding drill. I just feel like this does less damage to the natural nail, and it does the job by removing the oils, natural oils, and any dead skin that is attached to the nail plate. So I highly recommend this to be used on the natural nails instead of the fine or the extra fine course. I feel like those are so aggressive, and so I like to take care of my clients' nails by using the less powerful that can do the job. So all right, you guys, this is my second to last step. I'm sorry, I totally forgot about this step. This drill bit right here is my sharp point round drill, and this is really good for any dead skin or any dead cuticle that's left behind around the cuticle area. So I use this just to give it a second close cleanup of the natural nail. Okay guys, thank you again for watching. Hopefully this video helps a lot, and if you want me to continue doing more videos, please comment below and let me know.